Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can increase brightness in iFalcon TV. So if you are using iFalcon TV or any TCL TV, you can increase the brightness by going towards settings. So the option of setting is available here. By you can use it by mouse, or you can simply press this setting icon from your remote. After that, when you click on remote settings, then you will see all these options. Go towards picture option. Here you can select the option by pressing this button. Now you can see the brightness and contrast option. So if you want to increase it, the maximum limit is 100, and if you want to decrease it, you can decrease it as much as you can. So hope you like this little tutorial on how to increase brightness and color saturation in iFalcon TV. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.